like I said, it's not as bad as a lot of people think because you know, the boat's not that heavy.
Yeah.
And look, you got half the weight still in the water.
155 soaking wet.
That's pretty good.
Huh?
That's pretty good, man.
It's a piece of cake. Now watch this. Now I just pull up a little bit so I don't have to walk out there in deep water.
All right, all right.
Well, I'm not used to that current.
Yeah, that current's kind of screwing it up for you. That's okay.
You know, I just gotta adjust my little method here. Now, you know, the thing is, every experience is a learning one.
How many nights did you lay awake thinking of this?
Believe it or not, man.
I can believe it because
as simple as this is,
I've tried to load mine from the water like that, and it just I thought, how in the hell can I hold it while I go get the other end?
You got it just like this, buddy.
Yeah, if there's no current, it'd be real easy.
Yeah. I'm just going to pull up a little bit to get the nose out of the current.
Yeah, it's not that bad, though.
I'm going to watch it slide off this side.
Yeah.
But see, that just gave me another idea. Boom. See, look, the bow's not hitting. So
all right, the bow's not hitting, it's still floating. That's pretty easy, man.
It works. Boom. Even a 165-pounder can do it.
That's it.
No, I mean, seriously though, it's not hard.
No, it ain't hard. You just did it.
I mean, I'm not sitting here
You weren't straining or anything?
Yeah.
Well, what you did is successfully answer all my questions.
Hey, bingo.
Everything's a positive so far.
Yeah, there's always questions.
Well, a lot of people think it's like, oh man, that's probably hard as heck to load, and it's, oh man, you kill yourself doing that. Well, look, now, I mean, I'm actually glad he did that because now I can say, hey, I did it, and you know, I had 2 people watch me.
Absolutely. That's what.
Oh, it's unedited, it's uncut.
Not my lazy son bitch.
And it's not rehearsed.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, look what the boat did. It was trying to float the bows going in the current.
Yep.
That gave me an idea to maybe do something that I can like a little temporary hook.
Like a stabilizer, counter hook.
I might tie a little hook or something, another little hook or something here. Just have a little bungee cord. Oh, a bungee cord. If I just would have hooked the bungee cord to the thing to keep it
on the down current side.
There, yeah, that'll work. See, so I just saw that.
This will save a lot of people from, you know, with trucks, a trailer costs. But somebody's gonna knock you off now, man. Not the boat, but the way you load it and shit.
Oh yeah. Oh, I don't. You know.
Whatever. Share the wealth.
That's it.
You got a patent your loading technique.
Yeah, you can't. I don't think you could do that. All right.